Posted an Instagram story you don't want anymore? Maybe a typo, a bad photo, or you just changed your mind. Don't worry, you can delete it in seconds. This works the same on both iPhone and Android. Step 1. Open the Instagram app, and on the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. This opens your own story. Step 2. While your story is playing, look at the bottom right of the screen and tap the three dots. This is the More button. Step 3. A menu will slide up from the bottom. From the list of options, tap Delete. Step 4. Instagram will ask you to confirm. Simply tap Delete one more time to remove it. And that's it. Your story is instantly deleted and no one will be able to see it anymore, not even people who already viewed it. Quick recap. Open your story, tap the three dots, tap Delete, then confirm. It really is that simple. If this quick guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tips every week.